this morning. So
Yes, let me call it back again with the next breaking story where we see police pursuing several leading killing of homeless people. Police have launched a major investigation across several this division into the attack on 6 homeless men, which leave 4 of them dead and 2 others nursing chop wounds at hospital between last Sunday night and early Monday morning. Yeah. The incident reported happened in downtown Kingston Spanish Town Road in the vicinity of Halfway Tree in St. Andrew. The Jamaican Constabulary Force Corporal Communication Unit Senior Superintendent of Police Stephanie said the police are now pursuing several within the investigation intense. So, and we have a little short video from her here where we're going to put on our channel, and you can watch. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for many more stories, and I hope you are doing well in Jamaica as the pandemic is still here, and you all can see crime and violence still up in Jamaica. So that's it for me. Please like, share, subscribe to this channel, and have yourself a great day. And if you get this news in the night, have yourself a great night. So I don't have a special time when I upload, but I know I upload each day or night. So continue to share my video.
to determine what led to the deaths of 4 homeless persons. A total of 6 persons were attacked sometime between last night and early this morning. So we know of a fact that the number 6 persons, 4 succumbed to their injuries. They all had chop wounds to the head, and based on what the investigators have theorized very early, that they were killed or they were attacked in their sleep. So it's not one of the cases that we normally see, because homeless persons are usually very safe. It's the second time we're seeing homeless persons being attacked in any kind of coordinated way. We know that for the 6 that I referred to, 3 of the incidents were in the Kingston Central Police area, which is in the vicinity of Hanover Street and Sutton Street. There was another matter in Kingston West, Terra Division, where 1 person was found with chop wounds, and then there were 2 others now that were found in the St. Andrews Central Police area. Those are the ones who survived and are currently in hospital. So we're now trying to determine who the perpetrator or perpetrators are, exactly what would have led to something like that, because I think there's a lot of unknown as we speak. What the detectives are currently looking at, they are looking at the cases that we dealt with about 3 years ago, where we had a spate of incidents targeting homeless persons. In those instances, while they slept, persons dropped stones in their heads, killing them. So they are just going back through some of those cases and to look to see if they see any patterns or similarities to those, and then they are following some other leads. They are following some relatively good leads, and know that we have to rely on technology to